We are back. So for the next part, there's a few different ways you can do it. You can paint it, you can cover it in paper. I'm going to show you both options. So one half is going to be paint and one half is going to be paper. We're going to do the paper side first. I always save all my scraps of paper. I'm just going to use some of these. Now, this is what you want to do. You put glue onto the surface of your artwork. So I work in small stages, okay? And this is going to be a form of collage that we're going to do. Then you get your paper and you're going to put your paper into small strips. And you start sticking it down now. To save your hands, okay, I'm getting too gluey. Every time I stick it down, you can secure it with a little bit of glue. This helps squish it down to the paper. And it also helps when you put your next layer down, you've got glue on the edges of your pieces below. So keep the pieces small and keep layering up all over. Now, when that's done, the very final thing I do is I get a little damp cloth, so very lightly wet, and very gently I just go over the surface. Now we're going to paint the next part. So I don't have any green paint, so I have yellow and blue, which when we mix together are going to make a nice green colour. So generally I only ever really buy the primary colours, white and black, so I buy yellow, blue and red, white and black. They're my staples, and then you can make nearly any colour from those 5. So that's good for the middle. Now we're going to paint so the painting will be quicker, but you can add more detail with the paper, because with the paper you could add different shades of green to it. You could start with a dark and go up to a light. You could do lots of different things. You could have different colours as well, so you could play around with skin tones.